Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, if your Spectrum router is showing a red light and your internet isn't working, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what the red light means and show you step-by-step fixes to get your Spectrum Wi-Fi back online. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check Spectrum service status. A solid red light often means no internet signal from Spectrum. Log in to the Spectrum app or website, check for outage in your area. Solution 2. Inspect cables and connections. Make sure the coaxial cable is tightly connected to both the wall outlet and the router. Check Ethernet and power cables for damage. If you use a splitter, try connecting directly without it. Solution 3. Restart router, modem. Unplug the Spectrum router from power. Wait 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for reboot. Solution 4. Identify the red light type. Solid red light, critical error, router can't connect. Blinking red light, device is trying to connect but failing. Solution 5. Try wired connection. Connect a laptop, PC to the router using an Ethernet cable. If wired works, issue is Wi-Fi related. If wired also doesn't work, it's likely ISP side. Solution 6. Reset the router. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Wait for it to reboot and re-establish the connection. Solution 7. Contact Spectrum support. If red light persists, it may be a hardware issue or service outage. Call Spectrum support for further help. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.